Just coming in from LAX, huh?
Yeah.
Where are you coming in from?
I'm coming in from Ohio.
Really? Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool. You just visiting or what?
Yeah, it's my first trip out here. I can't wait to just have some fun, run around, see
Oh,
everything.
that's so cool. What do you got? Probably visiting some friends or what?
No, I'm out here alone. So
Oh.
like I need to find people to run arounds with.
Oh, I'm
So-
sure you'll find tons of people.
Yeah, I might have already found someone.
Oh yeah, where at?
Right here. Do you want to come?
Where?
We can go to the Hollywood sign, do the Walk of Fame. We can literally go wherever. Show me around. Like, be my tour guide. Like, I don't know anyone here.
I mean, I gotta work Uber though, you know?
It's okay. I will literally pay whatever you normally make in a day if you'll just, be my tour guide.
I mean, I don't know.
Come on.
Sounds too good to be true.
Come on, please. Seriously. I will pay whatever you make.
I would love to go to the beach right now.
Yes, let's go. Let's go to the beach. Show me your favorite beach, please. I'm so excited.
Well, there is a nude beach. I don't know if you're into that.
Oh my gosh, seriously?
Yeah.
Is that legal in like
There is
United
one.
States?
Yeah, it's kind of a bit of a drive. It's like a 3-hour drive, but
Yeah, let's go. Like seriously, come on.
Really?
Yeah, no, really. Like I'm up
You're
to do
seriously
anything
down
right
to go
now.
to a nude beach?
I'm totally down. Like this is like my first big trip. Like I am down to do anything right now.
Anything.
Anything, seriously.
Like nothing off limits?
Nothing off limits.